Hello my dear students, welcome to class 10 all over again. I'm your maths teacher, Teacher Surekha Nilesh Purohit. I'll be teaching you chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression. In today's session, we are going to learn about sequence in nature, terms in a sequence, arithmetic progression, followed by practice set 3.1. Sequence. A set of numbers when numbers are arranged in a definite order, like natural numbers, is called a sequence. A sequence of a particular number is written in a particular position. There is a definite order in which numbers are arranged. Look at the following numbers: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144, and so on. Here, numbers are arranged in definite order under some definite rule. The first two numbers are 0 and 1, and each subsequent number is the sum of the previous two. That means 0 plus 1 will give you 1, 1 plus 2 will give you 3, 3 plus 5 will give you 8, 8 plus 13, 21, 21 plus 34, 55, 55 plus 89 will give you 144, and it goes on. This sequence is known as Fibonacci sequence, named after Leonardo Fibonacci. He had discovered this concept. Fibonacci numbers are nature's numbering system. Let us consider the following examples. First one, 23, 17, 45, minus 7, 34, minus 12, minus 10, 21. Here, numbers are not listed in a definite pattern as we are unable to find the next term of the list. So, it is not a sequence. Second example, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Here, numbers are listed in a definite pattern. That is, square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25, square of 6 is 36. Which is a sequence of natural numbers, and hence we are able to find the next terms of the list. So, it is a sequence. Here you can see leaves, flowers, its petals. Sequence in nature. Fibonacci's sequence appears everywhere in nature, from leaf arrangement in plants to the pattern of florets in a flower. Plants do not know about the sequence, they just grow in the most efficient ways. Many plants show the sequence in the arrangement of leaves around the stem. You can see sequence in your daily life, as in Rangoli, and in your home and in nature. It makes the life more beautiful. Similarly, arithmetic progression will also make your life very beautiful. This is on your textbook, page 55 and 56. You can do it with pencil. Question number 1. Complete the given pattern Look at the pattern of the numbers. Try to find a rule to obtain the next number from its preceding number. Write the next numbers. Question 1. The pattern is given and number of circles you need to write. Number of circles are 1, 3, 5, 7, and we need to fill the boxes. 1 and 3 you can see. So 1 plus 2 will get 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Here, every pattern is formed by adding a circle in horizontal and vertical rows to the preceding pattern. Therefore, the sequence of the above pattern is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. Second one, the pattern is given in the figure is a triangle. Number of triangles 5, 8, 11 and we need to fill the box. Now 5 plus 3 will get 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Here, every pattern is formed by adding 2 triangles horizontally and 1 triangle vertically. So, to the preceding pattern. Therefore, the sequence for the above pattern is 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23 and so on. Terms in a sequence. In a sequence, order terms are represented as T1, T2, T3 and the last term, that is the infinite term, is known as Tn. T1 stands for first term, second term as T2, third term T3. In general, sequence is written as Tn. If the sequence is infinite for every positive integer n, there is a term Tn. Activity 1. This is on your textbook, page 56. Do it with pencil. Some sequences are given below. Show the positions of the term by T1, T2, T3 and so on. First one, 7, 7, 7, 7. Here, first term T1 equal to 7, second term T2 equal to 7, third term T3 equal to 7, fourth term T4 equal to 7. Second one, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, minus 14. Here, first term equal to minus 2, second term T2 equal to minus 6, third term T3 equal to minus 10. Fourth term T4 equal to minus 14. Activity 2. Some sequences are given below. Check whether there is any rule among the terms. Find the similarity between two sequences. To check the rule of the terms of the sequence, look at the arrangements and fill the empty boxes suitably. First one, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. Second, 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. Third, 3, 3, 3, 3. Fourth, 4, 16, 64 and so on. Last one, fifth one, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5 and so on. Find the relation in the sequences. Let's see the first one. When you see the first sequence, you can see 1, 4, 7, 10. It is increasing by 3. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16 and so on. Second one, 6, 12, 18, 24. These sounds the multiples of 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 6, 36, and so on. Third one, you can see the same numbers, that is 3, 3, 3. If any number is added to 0, we get the number itself that we have already studied. So here also same rule applies. We are adding 0 to 3 everywhere. So we are getting 3. Next one, 4, 16, 64. Now 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, 64 fours are 256, 256 into 4, 1024, 1024 into 4, 4096. Now here each number is multiplied by 4. Next one, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5. So here you can see minus 1 plus minus 0.5. Plus minus becomes minus. So minus 1 minus 0.5 will give you minus 1.5. And the series goes on. Arithmetic progression. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then it is called common difference. It is denoted by letter D. If the difference between two consecutive terms Tn plus 1 minus Tn is constant, that is, second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, then it is called arithmetic progression. In this sequence, Tn plus 1 minus Tn is D, the common difference, that is constant. In an arithmetic progression, if the first term is denoted by A and the common difference by D, then T1 equal to A, T2 equal to A plus D, T3 equal to A plus D, that is equal to A plus 2D. In an AP, if the first term is a common difference is D and the common difference is D, then the terms in the sequence are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. Now let's see this. In the given sequence, observe how the next term is obtained. Here the first term is 100, then 70, 40, 10. Now the numbers are decreased by 30. 100 minus 30 will give you 70, 70 minus 30, 40, 40 minus 30, 10, 10 minus 30 minus 20, minus 20 minus 30 will give you minus 50. So similarly you can keep on finding the next term. Second one, minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, 2, and so on. Here the numbers are increasing by 3. Minus 7 plus 3 will give you minus 4. Minus 4 plus 3 will give you minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 will give you 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. And so on. The last one, the numbers are constant, that is 4, 4, 4. So any number added to 0, you get the number itself. This is on your textbook, page 59. Write one example of finite and infinite AP each. Answer. Finite arithmetic progression is even natural numbers from 4 to 50. That means finite AP means the numbers which we can count, countable numbers. 4, 6, 8 and so on. Infinite AP, the numbers which we cannot count. That means we don't know where it will end. So positive multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15 and so on. The answer might vary from student to student. This is just an example. Now students, let's see the difference between sequence and AP. The first example, 3, 7, 15, 31. Second example, 2, 4, 12, 48. Now students, here in both the examples you can assume what will be coming next. But this is not an AP because they follow a particular pattern or a sequence. But here the difference between the terms is not constant. It is keeping on changing. Now let's see the next example. First one, 1, 5, 9, 13. When you subtract 5 from 1, you will get 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. So here the common difference is 4. So the numbers are increasing by 4 over here. Now let's see the second one. Here the numbers are decreasing by 2. So here in both the first and the second example there is a common difference. First example the common difference is 4 and in the second example the common difference is -2. So it is an example of AP as the difference between the two consecutive terms is same.